There you go.
Wow.
Yep, that's a wow adjustment.
Wow.
A little bit there.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Yeah, this is a little bit
Big Philly from the block.
there. All right, nice and easy here. Relax the shoulders back. Perfect.
Still there. Same. Good, nice. Beautiful.
Oh yeah, home run. Yep.
Good, again. Good, now breathe in, hold it. Good. So left shoulder goes down?
Oh, yeah.
Just keep it nice and relaxed. Perfect.
Relax.
That's it. Yes, sir. Let me have your neck. Good. Yes, sir.
Good, nice.
Nope, I got one more. There it is.
Same thing over here. Very good.
Oh yeah, home run.
Oh, God.
Yep.
Here comes some bows. All right, we're gonna go right there. There you go. Good. Good.
Okay, just keep your teeth together. There you go. Feel it all the way down for Fabrizio.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
All right. That's nice.
Oh my gosh.
Relax this in my hand. I think Tony's spine. Out. Even close to what that was. That should have felt better on your hips though, not as painful. Drop it in my hand here. There we go. Yeah, tilt right a little bit with your left big toe. That's it.
All right, nice and easy here. Perfect.
There you go. Drop it in my hand. That girl. Yes, ma'am. Good job.
Just let your head drop into my hand here. Good. Right there. Breathe in, hold it. Good. Relax.
That girl.
There it is. Very good.
So now I'm going to focus on C5, C6. Good.
This left side here first. Nice and easy. Perfect. Okay. Good. Good.
There we go. Okay, I got you. There we go. Good job.
Very good. Let's do this then.
There we go.
Very good. Same thing here. Good, one more. Perfect. Nice and easy here. Very good.
Okay, I got you. Perfect. Let me have your head tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. There you go.
Good. This side's not bad. Yeah.
Okay, nice and easy. Just like that. Boy,
That's so good.
yes, sir. Home run.
Tilt you here. Good.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Just relax it and exhale it. There you go. Should have felt that all the way down.
Very good. All right.
There you go. There you go.
Good. Good.
There you go. Good job.